Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about smart TV. And in this video, I will show you on how to switch from internet smart TV into a local channel TV on your smart TV. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do, as you can see right here, currently I'm on a smart TV internet. So I want to switch to a decoder TV on my smart TV. So how do you do that? Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and look for this particular arrow on your remote. So it depends on the type of TV you are using. So go ahead and click on this type of arrow right here, and when you click on it, you can see a display on your TV right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then make sure you click on OK, and it's going to start connect. So you can see I am now live on local channel TV, from smart TV to a local channel TV. So from here, you can switch there. If you want to switch back to your smart TV, so same way, go ahead and make sure you click on this particular arrow on your smart TV from the bottom of the home icon. Click on it, and this is going to pump up again. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you go ahead and go to the top right here, and then select Google TV Home, and it will take you back to your smart TV or Google TV Home. It's that simple. So this is how to switch from your Google TV Home or smart TV Home to your TV cable on your smart TV. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your smart TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.